Artoonza.
Before we start, smash that like button. Yes, right now, your thumb is just sitting there doing absolutely nothing. Okay, listen up, my wiggly, giggly, glittery little artists. Today, we are drawing the most epic, most rainbow-tastic, most absolutely extra thing your eyeballs have ever witnessed. An elephant Pop It. Rainbow Fidget. Yes, an elephant. Yes, a Pop It. Yes, a rainbow. All three together at the same time. I know. Try not to faint. Our majestic elephant isn't just any elephant. Oh no, this one is covered in rainbow Pop It bubbles and is basically the coolest creature to ever exist on paper. Scientists are baffled. Art teachers are shook.
So cute.
Your pencil case is trembling with excitement. We are kicking things off with our trusty black marker, drawing every glorious detail, every bubble, every magnificent Pop It dot. And then, my friend, the real magic begins. Stay with me because the coloring section is about to blow your glittery little mind. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Give us a big thumbs up. Uh-oh, our elephant just whispered something. It says it refuses to stay black and white. It wants colors, not just any colors, all the rainbow. So grab those highlighters. Pink zooms in first, blue splashes like a tiny wave, green sneaks in like jungle leaves, and yellow,
so cute.
boom, sunshine explosion. Now every Pop It bubble is coming alive, like they're about to pop off the page and throw a color party. Stay close. It's getting wildly rainbow-tastic. Smash that like button now. This is so amazing. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.